What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be showing you the relatively rare chess move En Passant. Now this is a move that most beginners do not know because the rules of chess, while it is a complex game, the rules are relatively straightforward and there's not too many exceptions to rules outside of like castling, but En Passant is kind of that one rule that many beginners do not need to know about because it happens so infrequently. However, if you were to do the move against someone who doesn't know about it, they would be very confused and think you're making up rules. So I'm making this video so you can show them that it is an actual thing and not just some made-up rule. Now, En Passant requires some very specific requirements. So I'll show an example game. Let's say I start off with move e4, and let's just say black does a random move like that, and I advance my pawn one further to e5. Now in this situation, if black were to either put their pawn right here or right here, since you can move your pawn twice on its first move, if they were to do that, for the next move and the next move only, my pawn on e5 can actually take this pawn as if it had only moved one square. Now let's see that again. So he's right here, pawn. However, I capture it by taking it like I would pawn right here, and that is a perfectly legal move. That is En Passant. Now you can only do that the move after he does this move. So if he were to move here, and let's say I did a knight move, and I don't know, he did this random move over here, I'm not allowed to En Passant on this turn. Only on the previous turn, the one where he did make this move. Now the same can happen for black, so if black were right here, and the white piece did a move like that, you would be able to take, just like that. Now, it is not required to take the piece, but a lot of times it is the best move to do. Now, it can be very situational. It's pretty rare for this to occur, so a lot of times when it happens, you're not really looking for it, and your opponent may not be looking for it either, so you should always be aware of that when it happens. But not always it is the best move to take it. For example, right here, it might not be the best move since I can just take the pawn right after. So you're gonna have to weigh that as if it was a normal taking of the piece. So that was a pretty short video. I just wanted a clear and concise video on how to capture En Passant style. So thank you guys for watching. So if you do have any trouble, I'd love to hear about it in the comments, and maybe I can help you out. I come out with 2 new videos a week, one on Tuesday, one on Fridays, and Tuesdays are Tutorial Tuesdays, so you get videos just like these. Thank you again for watching. Peace.